Image Paodam Yang Tabriba Punamapu Kurumjari Ngasigi Maroiba Pauda Third Manipur International Documentary Short and Animation Film Festival Ngasi Hongdokre North East India Development Party ki State Unit Ngasi Hongdokre Men and Women Governors Polo Cup Championship Ngasi Loisinkhre Hauzik Mapungoiba Pawmuk Lawbirasi Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Government of India amadi Manipur State Film Development Society anina sinduna ngasidagi numit humni subna sathagadaba Third Manipur International Documentary Short and Animation Film Festival 2018 Manipur State Film Development Society ki auditorium da hawdokre tang kunthama thoi phawba sathagadoriba festival hawdopagi ngasigi thoramda eminent filmmaker Janu Barwana thoiba mithung Art and Culture Manipur gi Commissioner M. Lakshmi Kumar Ayasna Thorom aduga eminent filmmaker Aribam Syam Sharma Film Division Mumbai gi Director of Administration Swati Pandey cinematographer and filmmaker Ranjan Palit amadi editor and filmmaker Arjun Gausaria na akhanaba mithung sing oina saruk yakhe ngasi festival hawdokpa numita 15 Mumbai International Film Festival 2018 da Best Golden Cones amadi Best Documentary Film Phanglakhraba Brother Jacob Are You Sleeping haiba film utke thorongi athoiba mithungi warol piraduna eminent filmmaker Janu Barwana haike.
It's a time actually that we need to find ways to inspire them, encourage them, and make good work, do good work, good creative work, do good films. But the question is that are we having a proper environment, proper atmosphere, proper situation?
North East India Development Party ki State Unit Office ngasi tera sapam leirak machinda hangdoktuna nomagi oiba political conference pangthokre thoromaduda President Narengbam Samarjit, State President Dokhamang Khongsai na thoiba RTT amadi sababati oiki conference ka mari lainana party ki Central Working Committee ki Vice President Bisorjit na paumising da phongdorakpada NEIDP asi lamdam asi ki laihauda matam sure haina saphonglakle awang nongpok lamdam da sothaduna lairiba asi pukhatnaba pandamni mamangi mikhalda mirep 12 puthokhi voter lising 55 hena phangba ngamkhi party asina praja singa kari tawba yabage haibadu khanagani conference asida tongan ba state ki party ki mihut sing saruk yakhe
matam kowi lairem bina matam suri matagumna hojik lamdam asida safongduna awang nongpok lamdam gi damakta awang nongpok lamdam gi awonba ama muraknabagi damakta amadi ai koina political will ama sagachaduna amadi political discourse sama chathajaduna lamdam asida sothaduna lairiba awang nongpok ki lamdam ase punna kushamnaraga pukhat minanabagi adugumnaba pandamda ai koigi Gandhian philosophy gi makhada ai koina hasigumnaba party ase North East India Development Party ase linkat sakhibani
Hayeng pangthokadoriba Good Friday gi thoronga mari lainana Manipur Raiswal Dr. Nasma Heptula amadi Mukhyamantri N Birena Yaifa Paujel pirakli Raiswal gi warolda Good Friday na lakpada Jisu Christ na pap chelaba mioi samaj gi dama kathokpaga loinana nungsiba ngakpibagi paujel kaya pirami Mukhyamantri gi paujelda Jisuna mioi bagi minungsi gi damak mapunsi kathokhi Good Friday na lakpada ikoi khudimungna santi nungsiba ngakpiba wakhalol ningsingsi haike Manipur gi sanabagi itihasa amukta oikidriba mawongda lamdam masigi football lovers singna All Manipur Football Association gi thoksil thawongbu pendaba phongdoktuna matik chadaba amphagi thawpuba sing pham thado o haiba dabi tawraduna ampha office ta thomjinduna kholaw kaya lauduna protest tawkhre Football lovers amadi football bunungsi jaba maikai kaya dagi horapa miyam aduna football office ta thomjinduna matik chadaba amphagi thawpuba sing moral ground da pham thado o haiba dabi tawraduna kholaw kaya laukhe khongjang changsilakhiba football lovers sing aduna handak ta pangthokhiba Dr. T. Ao Memorial Football Tournament amadi National Football Championship for Santos Trophy da Manipur team gi performance adudasu pen daba chauna phongdokhi haiba Santos Trophy amadi Dr. T. Ao Football asida Manipur gi team chauna maithi khiba asina maram oiraga Manipur team gi performance asida sports lovers sing chauna pen daba phongdokhibani Khongjang Changsilibesinggi Maikaidagi Phongdorakpada Amphagi office so londuna leire thabak sungtau tawduna paisa chathokpa leirabra haibagi singnaba leire sarkarna action lawkhapiu natragadi football loversingna makhatana Khongjang Changsinkhigani haike loinana hauji Amphaga club singagi marakta unkhatnaba kaya leiribasing sangtainaba porakpiu hainasu kholausing lauki hairi Khongjang Changsilibesing aduna Amphagi office mamang haibadi Amphagi thongdaso matik sadaba Amphagi thopubasing pham thado haiba feston sing thelam ki tungda protester sing adu police laktuna pukre haire Yalaumi kanba apun balup na thadrok pa serol da ngasi iramda masigi miyamna uriba kaithel ayamba ima singna ayamba kaba kaithen oina uri Imphal manung da leiriba maruiba ima kaithel ahum asi natana atai kaithel singdi nupa punna kaithel phambagi saktam uri nupi marakta nupa na porpham phamduna phoman sariba asina ima kaithel gi wahan thok laihandre masak thi halle yaripokta tampha kaithel amadi new market ta UP Bihar dagi laklaga ima singi marakta pupham phamduna pot joli ima kaithel gi masak hamuk taimin nabagum thokani iramdam sida laigi matamdagi nupina kaithel phambagi satnabi leirai maram masina ima kaithel gi masak thihan bai yaroi kaithel kabadi nupa nupi punna kamin nabai yai pot laiminabani kaithel phambida akaiba leigani laingakna mieng sangbiduna thabak paikhatpa mathau tare haina lukki serol da hairi Vidhan Sabha gi speaker Yunam Khemsana haikre khwairamban kaithel amasung singjamai kaithel asi Manipur ityas ka yamna nakpa mafam amani wafam asing asi singjamai kaithel sanabagi jatra hunbagi thoramda phongdokkibani speaker na makha taraduna lambi pakthokpana maram oiraga singjamai kaithel tangai phadana sidokiba asi PDA official singna lupa crore ahum lakh marifumathoi henbagi senpham changna sanaba thorang tawre haikhe hayeng March tang kuntra asi Good Friday oirabasu Manipur Sarkar gi negotiable instrument 1981 gi section kunga mangagi matung inna bibag punamak mahausagung working day oigani sarkar gi makhada leiriba bibag punamak March financial year 2013 nipan gi oina bill sing pass taunaba hairiba Good Friday gi suti asi suti oiroidabani haina GAD gi record amasung library section gi under secretary na hukum thokre hukum asigi matungina bibag asigi makok thongbasing treasury sub treasury officer sing bank employee sing su office ka na bakhangan khre hairi comprehensive landslide effects of deforestation search and rescue first aid fire fighting haiba hiram sida disaster management training among asi Manipur lenga ki Department of Relief and Disaster Management ki sponsorship makhada Relief and Disaster Management SDMA SDRF CD Forest Department Manipur na sinduna more ward number 5 ta leiba Manipur Muslim Council more gi office ta pangthokre ngasigi training aduda Relief and Disaster Management Civil Defense ki staff officer MD Ayub Khon na chief guest ADC more and Bangkim na function ki president CM ki president MD Jalaluddin more police ki SI H Joy Kumar anina guest of honor singoina dais ta phangke loinana Manipur Fire Service more gi staff Forest Department staff amadi atai mioi kya su saru yakhe training sigi manung sana fire service na mai kanba matamda sijinaba khulai sing miyam da khangan ki amadi mai sakpu matamda ising karamna kafkadage haibadusu utke All Manipur Handicapped Persons Welfare Association AMHPWA na United Youth Club Thongam amasung Thongam Maira paibiga punna sinduna persons with disabilities ki empowerment ki matangda nomagi oiba awareness program amang asi kaksing khunong manakta leiba Thongam community hall da pangthokre thoramda sugunu SCG MLA K Ranjit na chief guest National Awardee KSS Padma Singh na President Kaksing Khunong Municipal Council ki chairperson KH Laima Devina special guest oike ngasigi awareness program aduda AMHPWA ki President T Romeo na resource person oina wangang ke chief guest oikiba MLA Ranjit na haiki medical science na saukhalaba matam sida miron binupi singna matam chana check up tawduna tangai phadaba hidak chaduna soinaiba angang poktanaba hotnasi sugunu AC asida disable oiba mioi kaya laibage haibadu masing thidolaga mahaki maikaidagi pangba yaba mateng pangjage haike Cookie Students Organization KSO Morena sahi sigi January February amadi March tha ahum asigi oina phangadaba NFSA gi makhada lairiba miyamda yenthokadaba seng sing phanganriba asigi mayokta Imphal More Lambi National Highway 102 da pung nipunipan gi ban tawramba dunga sinungthil pung ani makhairom tabada DC Tengnopal KH Ragumani amadi SP Dr. S Ibomsa atai police officer amasung KSO More Gilosing basing yauna More Police IB da mifam ama phamlaba matung yanaba porakpadagi ban handokre ngasigi mifam aduda kupna khanaraba matungda January February tha anigi seng phangdana lairiba asi lagriba tha April gi tang 10 gi manungda miyamda phanghangani haina DC na thajaba pibadagi yanaba porakhibani haire Chennai dagi kilometer 100 lapnaba Sri Harikota gi space port gi GSAT GA communication satellite puba ISRO gi GSLV F08 thagatnaba thorang tawkhre hairi ISRO na haikibada ngasi launch tawnabagidama clearance adu mission readiness review committee amasung launch authorization board tagi phangkhi GSAT GA asi GSAT 6 ka manai satellite aduna multi beam coverage facility gi pambaina mobile communication pigani Australia gi cricket team gi captain Steve Smith na mapukning nungsina haiki ball tampering scandal gi daita punamak adu mahakini thokriba thodok adugi ningamdaba mahaki punsi suppada lehoragani malemda leiba cricket form ama Australia punamakta mapi ira chelaba Smith na haiki thokriba thodok adugi mahak masa mathantana daita lauri luchingba ama oibagi matik sadaba amadi mai pak pangam khidaba punamak mahakini soikraba adugi damak mengkhatnaba mahakna hek tawba ngambasing adu tawgani aina kanabusu tainaba leite Australian team gi captain mahakni haiki Cameron Bancroft na ball phananaba sandpaper singtholakiba adu camera da utholakre thodok adu Cape Town da South Africa ga third test match sanaringai da thokibani thodok aduna maram oiraduna captain Steve Smith amasung vice captain David Warner sahi ama sanaba yadanaba ban tawkhre sanabagi pauda Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association na sinduna Imphal gi polo ground da chatharakiba 28 Governors Cup Polo Tournament amadi 17 Governors Cup Women Polo Tournament ngasi loisinkhre Polo Tournament loisinbagi thoromda Manipuri Governor Dr. Nasma A. Heptulana Chief Guest Speaker Y. Kemsana President amadi Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association gi President Hais Dilip na Guest of Honor oike Tournament asigi nupi gi final match da Imphal Riding Club na KNM Riding School bu Panjal Taret amada maithi ba piduna Imphal Riding Club winner oikhre aduga nupa gidana tingkai hunba polo club na Manipur Sports Club bu Panjal mapan mari da thoikre ngasi loisinbagi thoromda chief guest amasung president amana mathum singyan thokke thoromgi athoiba mithungi warol piraduna governor Dr. Nasma A. Heptulana haike
Polo has its roots in jungle country of the state. It's now gaining popularity, and I'm very happy that many new clubs are coming up and people are taking interest in this very nice, interesting game where how the coordination between the player and the horse for a game.
Singjamai Shadow Club ki ground chathariba Fort Oinam Charles Memorial Men's Open Day and Night 5-a-side football tournament 2018 gi ngasi sanakiba ahanba match ta NYC Ngaikhong Khulena SWAT Waikhum Lekai bu Panjal ani amada thoikre aduga anu suba match ta so night club Kawana LKCC Langthawal Khawbumbu Panjal Ani Amada Maithiba Pikre. District Sports Association Kaksing na sinduna Dese Kaksing gi playground da sathariba 14 Dese Trophy 2018 gi ngasi sanakiba semi final match ta KPSC Kaksing na opsamantak pu panjal manga ahumda maithiba piduna KPSC final sangkhre ngasi gi match ki apiba matamda team anibang na panjal amamam chanaduna thoinaba ngamdabadagi tie break kaunabada KPSC na opsabu panjal manga ahumda thoikibani hauzik aroibada maroiba pau amuhana. Third Manipur International Documentary Short and Animation Film Festival ngasi hongdokre. Northeast India Development Party ki State Unit ngasi hongdokre. Men and Women Governors Polo Cup Championship ngasi loisinkhre. Ngasi gidamak tadi image Paodam pijaba loisinjare meyang tabiri punamapu amuka hana khurumjari.